I like it. I'm impressed.
Without Eplan, we wouldn't be able to get as clean as we are right now. Everything is easily accessible to us, and it wouldn't have been if we didn't have everything planned from the get-go.
That's impressive to see. You have the test today, and there's another test for you today.
Whenever we can get the car moving, we go.
Yeah?
That's it. We're trying to get there before it closes because we don't know if it'll open again tomorrow. So, just as any hero's journey, we're facing the final, I think hopefully final trouble. Since we fixed the shock and got the stuff done by the machinists, we've run into a few issues at this point. First, we had the motor controller kind of die out on us, and 2 of our modules in our battery have kind of shorted. So if all goes well, we'll have a quick fix and get the motor controller we're still working on right now finished by the end of the night.
So what's the worst case scenario?
The worst case scenario is we aren't able to fix the battery. Then that means the race is over for us.
Game over?
Game over.
I guess just a little nervous for dynamics. We're trying to see if we can get the speed out of it that we're expecting. So. We think we fixed the battery issue. We're still having some current limiting on our motor, but we believe that we'll be able to push it to close enough to the speed we need. We're cutting it close. Dynamics closes in about 2 hours. But if we can get blue on dynamics, that means we can go on the track tomorrow. And if we go on the track, we believe we can do 1 lap. And if we do 1 lap, then that means that we've accomplished everything that we have set out to do when we decided to come to competition this year.
Not doing anything. Go on the other side of the fence, please.
Yeah, I think we can do it this time.
Nervous a little bit?
A little bit.
Kind of, but I think we fixed a lot of issues since yesterday. And despite the shock breaking and who knows what else is damaged, I think we'll be able to do it.
I'm about to announce to the team that we're blue on dynamics, but before we get the final checkoff, we have to measure our tire pressure. And once we're done with that, I can officially announce it. But I can say at this point that we're going to be blue and we're going to be fully done on scrutineering, and we can take to the track as soon as tomorrow. All right, UT, everyone here? All right. Gerard, you can hear? All right. We are gonna rack up such an insane amount of penalties, but we are blue on dynamics.
Wait, how many negative laps are we on?
We're gonna get 2 every day, and plus 3. And we're speed capped, so we can't go too fast on track.
Oh, that's not a problem. Don't worry about it. That's not a problem. Do that anyway.
Look at that. Who wants to? It's the ultimate just like validation of all of the work that you've put in all year. And not only did we get it, we got it in the most cinematic fashion right at the end. I'm pretty sure we have 45 minutes left that we could hypothetically have gotten dynamics, so we push it right to the end. Maybe it was you guys who put the gravel in our battery, but we're just so happy we got it figured out. and we can look forward to in the next 2 days being all about track and getting as many laps in as we can. Hooking.
Yeah, we're going to the tracks finally. Yep.
I think it's crazy how far we've come, and I think the simple thing is to say the bar has been raised.
Is that us? Let's go!
This is the first new car to race on the track since 2013. Crazy. I mean, how much has happened since we first started building this car? I mean, 3 years in the making for this. So it's pretty stellar feeling. You know, the bar has just been raised for us. So we've got a real challenge ahead of us for next year.
We came here a week ago into this very garage with a plan and a mission and lots of hope. And now we're leaving here knowing that what we've put our time into for the last 2 or 3 years, we did it in a way that can lead us to success and can lead us to growth as engineers. This week is really just proof that what we did worked. So when someone brings up Solar Car, when someone brings up, hey, what did you do in college? I'm gonna be thinking about the late nights that we spent in our old rickety pickle research campus, staying up late, putting together these amazing projects, and the people who I did it with. And this is just the cherry on top that is the affirmation to it all.